turn up. Yeah, I still wanna turn up. All I want is to go again, but you ain't picking your phone up. Why you
Hey YouTube fam, what's going on, y'all? I'm back with another video. How y'all doing? How you sister, brother, uncles, aunties, and them doing? Y'all know from the label what I'm here for. I got me a teddyblake bag. Y'all, I don't know if you know about teddyblake. Girl, teddyblake sells some awesome bags made from real leather, and they're manufactured in Italy. Jesus. And they sell the same bags as the most high-end expensive bag. I'm gonna say they're made from the same type of leather. The only difference is teddyblake don't use they use cheaper alternatives for publicizing or let's say getting the word out about their bags. They don't have brick and mortar stores. You can only order them online. I mean, they do so many things to scrunch the price and the cost of their bags when they're made of the same price as the higher end bags, y'all. I mean, it's just unbelievable. You can get a bag in the same, a designer bag without the designer price. You know what I'm saying? So when they reached out to me and said, hey, would you? Yes, of course. I have been watching these videos and on the fence about purchasing one of these myself. So this opportunity, I was like, yes, send me the bag. And y'all know me, I have not opened. Only thing I did was take it out the box. And this is how it came in the box. And we're gonna open this here together. Y'all know y'all my girls, my homies, my partners, my cousins. Look at her. It says, what does it say? teddyblake. Each teddyblake handbag has been made with you in mind to be an extension of your unique style and flatter your every fashion choice. Designer handbags made in Italy with luxury leather. Y'all, I'm getting bougie. I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. I don't know how to act bougie, but I can feel getting bougie, y'all. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Oh. As soon as you open this, you can't, all you can smell is the leather in the box through the plastic. Okay? Oh my goodness. Girl, this bag, I forgot y'all was here. Okay. I'm supposed to be acting bougie and fancy. Taking it out slowly. Okay. Alright. This is an experience. I can't help it. Let's get in this bag, y'all. Ooh. Ooh, that's a pretty green. I got to choose the bag. Oh, I thought it was going to be a big one, but it's the little one. That's fine. That's fine. I can't put all my stuff in here, but I can definitely carry this bag. I know somebody saying it's big. No, I love the huge bags. The ones that I can get my laptop in, my tablet in. But don't get me wrong. I love this bag. Y'all see, I put on the green because I got to choose the bag and I wanted to match it. Okay. Alright. It smells so good. I can't stop smelling on it. Okay, y'all supposed to be in this with me, right? It's got the teddyblake on here. We got teddyblake New York on the front. Here's what the back looks like. And the bottom, there's no feet. And it feels really good. Really soft. Real soft leather. Okay. Oh my God, it smells so good. Oh, I like that. You can close it tight if you push it all the way down, or kind of tight, or all the way loose. That's neat. Or you can just put it on the inside and not use it at all. Okay, it's a small bag for me, but I like this, and I like this green for the springtime. Okay, All right, we got the handles. Oh my goodness, this feels better than my Brahmin. Way better than my Brahmin. The leather feels softer than my Louis Vuitton. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just really inspecting this without y'all. The hardware looks nice, nice. Okay, and then you can make it longer or shorter. I will more likely make it longer. Oh my, let's get the paper out. I ain't gonna throw this away because I want this in my bag. Ooh, ooh, it's got that nice, oh my goodness. Velvet feels like, let me let y'all see the inside. This is what the inside looks like. Okay, and we got a zipper spot. Y'all see that? Okay. And it's, oh, it's got silky feeling. Oh, this is nice. This is nice, nice. I like this. Okay, let me put these on because I will definitely be using these. And I like that they on the inside. You see the little clips are on the inside of the bag. You see it? You put the clips in there. Let me go ahead and clip these on. Yeah, I got to get me a green summer dress. Okay. It's not as bright. I thought it was like a neon green, but it's pretty nonetheless. I broke my little nail off. I don't care. Oh yeah, that's nice, nice. That is nice. That is nice. It'll probably hold my 13-inch laptop, but not my real big one. But it will hold a lot, a lot. I can put one of those purse organizers on the inside of it to open it up. And I like this. This is beautiful. And the smell of leather is everywhere, y'all. Everywhere. This is a beautiful bag. This is beautiful. And it feels so good. This feels so good. Oh my goodness. Okay guys, I'm sorry. I am engrossed and locked up in this bag. If y'all want to get y'all a teddyblake bag, they have hundreds of styles. Hundreds of styles. I think this is a 10-inch, but this purse comes in a 15-inch. That's what I was hoping for, but okay. That's fine. I know where to site it, and I know how to go order me one because I like this bag, and I think that's what I'm going to do. I want me one in a 15-inch big enough to carry to work and be bougie at work. You know nurses like to be bougie. Y'all, come on now. We act like we don't, but girl, we work hard and play harder, okay? I know my nurses out there. Can y'all second that? Okay, y'all. I'm not gonna put anything in this bag. I want to show y'all what all can fit. I'll probably do I don't know, maybe filling it up, but I can't fill it up because I gotta find me a green wallet to match this. I don't want to just go with black. And this is beautiful. I cannot wait to carry this. Can y'all see that? Look at the stitching. Y'all see that? The stitching on there is the bomb. Can y'all see the stitching in there? Nice, nice, nice. All the way down, all the way around. Girl, this is nice. I advise y'all to go check out teddyblake, okay? And they having some sales because I went to the site before I came here to try to tell y'all about them. But it all left my mind when I saw and smelt the bag. So yeah, I'll put a link below for anybody interested in this bag. Okay? All right. Bye, y'all. Y'all stay blessed. Hope everybody having a wonderful, blessed day. And girl, I'm about to go, I'm about to go online. I can't get there and even see if they carry wallets too, because I didn't take a good look in the site, but the quality of this If they have wallets, I got to go find me a wallet to match this bag because this is absolutely beautiful. And y'all, the green, I love this. I love this. Okay. I hope everyone's having a wonderful, blessed day, guys. Check out Teddy Blake, okay? I'm telling y'all some good stuff. I ain't failed you yet. I ain't lied to you. Won't lie to you. This is nice. Okay. The link is gonna be down in the description. Bye, guys. See y'all in the next video.
But you ain't picking your phone up. Why you messing my head?